Strong winds are blowing in a lifetime. We don't know just what to do. Fires breaking out everywhere that you turn. We don't always seem to know just what to do. Strong winds are blowing in our lifetime. Sometimes we just don't know what to do. Turn it over to the Lord. He'll make a way for you. For those of you who can't afford nobody else, go to the Lord. He'll pull you through. Strong winds are blowing in our lifetime. The sun is burning harder and longer than ever before. We make it to the summer, but what happened in the winter time? What are you gonna do when you get cold? You have no fuel. I say call on the Lord, the way making God. Maybe He'll make a way out for you. When the fires weren't burning, the wind was blowing strong, knocking down trees and houses along the way. I never knew it would be this way, but I know without God you can't find your way. God is a way maker. 'Cause one day He made a way. He made a way for me. Yeah, God is a way maker. 'Cause one day He made a way for me. Like the disciples on the ship, the storm wind began to blow. The water left the ocean and got in a boat. Jesus was on the ship taking a rest, but the disciples didn't want to bother Him. They tried to do it themselves. It was commendable what they wanted to do, but sometimes it takes more than desire to pull you through. They woke Him up from his sleep, said, Master, Master, do you carries that we perish? Jesus looked around and He knew what to do. I believe He said, "Peace be still." The wind stopped blowing and everything's staying still. In the time we're living in, it's never gonna be the same again. Seem like perfectly healthy young people are having heart attacks. And that disease that went through the land is seemingly back again. They gave it another name so you would be scared. We can't let the same thing keep happening. We gotta get on our knees and pray and say, Lord, have mercy on me. He woke you up and he turned you around, gave you a place to live and food to eat. He even let water come down from above, that you have something to drink. Every day something new seems to be happening. The storm seems to be getting stronger every day. Jesus can change the storm. He can change everything that come along, but you must believe that he can. The winds are blowing, the winds are blowing, they're blowing strong. But you gotta know to God you belong. Don't let the storm get you